Alright, we're on. Camera ran out last time, so I don't know where it stopped, but I guess I must have been talking too long. This here is your JPG, and it incorporates the JP3. This is your JP3. There will likely be a little bit of modifications to it in order to incorporate the Geet reactor. And anyway, you have your JPG here, and that stands for Joe Pipe Geet process, I guess, or something like that. And since your fuel here, where your Geet gas is coming out, like you have your water, your acid, your oil. You've actually, well, I guess it's be a bit more closer to a JP5. But instead of water, you have your, you fill it up with your waste oil, whatever you want to convert into a Pantone Geet gas. You fill her up, and you boil off the liquid, and you take the vapor from that, and you bring it around, and you pass that between the positive feedback on the of the exhaust. So it comes all the way to the end and enters in directly into your Geet reactor here. And where it comes in here, you may want to pipe it in. You couldn't really lock this off solid because you still need room for your flame to operate. And you won't need that much of a high-end level 3 flame. You can probably keep it right down, and it's still going to generate. You could have your fuel turned down and have your air crank to actually create the velocity thrust. And that's basically what you want, because you want to create a electrostatic friction here. And so you actually have like a linear thrust movement of the heat, and also a vortex spinning motion around the pipe. So that could change the interior process of the pipe of the Geet reactor. And my intuition is telling me that it's going to advance the whole process to where when you bring both these together, the end result is going to be a hybrid that's going to have a higher rating, so to speak. But anyway, this allows you to take whatever's out there and convert it into a fuel. So you're getting this all warmed up. It's coming through. It's coming into the reactor rod, and you can make it so that you can change out your rods here. That's one of the important things. And so you have your Geet gas is coming back here. You might be able to extrapolate some of the Geet gas here and to actually go into your flame chamber. It's just a thought. And if that's so, then it's just a matter of injecting some air into the interior of the Joe pipe to create your reaction. And I'd like to make a request at this time, if there's anybody out there that's fluent in French and could translate what I'm saying into French, maybe using a voice overlay, and maybe send this to the Geet community in France. I really believe that they're going to be interested in this, and that there can be a technology exchange. And not charging nothing for this, but no, they have advancements, or they could take this and incorporate it into their technology, and to where the people here can benefit from it also. And it really be a blessing to be able to see a hybrid come about from joining the Joe Pipe to the Geet technology. It'd definitely be a survival tool, not only to run the Joe Pipe on Geet gas, but you'll be able to run it on Joe Cell gas or even charged water. So you have a multifunctional heating device that you'll be able to run it on alternative fuels that you'll be able to make yourself out of whatever is left over. You can probably throw paint in this and it's going to work too. And to break it down into its hydrogen and carbon state. And so that's my version of how to merge the Joe Pipe, in this case the JP3 model or JP5, whatever, to the Geet process, where you have the Geet process making up the very heart of the Joe Pipe Geet system. And this is something that wouldn't take long, for people working in a shop to put together to see what the results are going to be. I guess that covers it. I think it's Tim Horton's time.